Hello and welcome to this brand new video. In this video we will help you find your perfect girlfriend. Looking for the perfect girlfriend can be an intimidating process, but it doesn't have to be. With these 8 tips, you'll be able to find the right girl for you and make sure that she sticks around. From knowing what qualities you should look for in a partner to avoiding common pitfalls when dating, this video will provide you with all the information you need to find the perfect. Finding the perfect girlfriend can seem like an impossible task, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll give you some tips and advice on how to find the perfect girlfriend for you. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe the channel. First of all, it's important to know what you're looking for in a girlfriend. Do you want someone who is funny and outgoing, or someone who is more reserved and shy? What kind of interests do you want her to have? Once you know what you're looking for, it will be much easier to find the right girl for you. Another important tip is to not get too caught up in the physical aspects of a potential girlfriend. Yes, it's important that she is physically attracted to you, but don't let that be the only thing that matters. There's more to a relationship than just physical attraction, so make sure you find someone who shares your interests and values. Finally, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and meet new people. The more people you meet, the more likely you are to find someone who is perfect for you. So go out there and start meeting new people. Tip 1. Work on your confidence. When it comes to finding the perfect girlfriend, one of the most important things you can do is work on your confidence. A lot of guys make the mistake of thinking that they need to be someone they're not in order to attract. But the truth is that girls are attracted to confident guys who are comfortable in their own. If you're not confident, it's going to show in everything you do and say, and girls will pick up on it. The key is to fake it until you make it. Act like you're the most confident guy in the room, and eventually it will become second nature. When you're confident, you'll come across as more attractive, interesting, and fun, which are all qualities that girls look for in a potential boyfriend. Tip 2. Set yourself up for success by going out and being social. If you want to find the perfect girlfriend, you need to be proactive and go out into the social world. Attend events, meet new people, and put yourself in situations where you can meet potential partners. It can be difficult to put yourself out there, but it's essential if you want to find someone special. One of the best ways to meet new people is through friends and acquaintances. Talk to your friends about potential dates or girlfriends and see if they know anyone who might be a good match for you. You can also attend social events and meetups specifically for singles. This is a great way to expand your social circle and meet new people who could potentially be your perfect match. It's important to remember that finding a girlfriend takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't find someone right away. Keep putting yourself out there, and eventually, you'll find the perfect girlfriend for you. Tip 3. Know what you want in a girlfriend. One of the most important things to do when you're looking for the perfect girlfriend is to know what you want. What qualities are you looking for in a partner? What kind of relationship are you hoping for? Once you know what you want, it will be much easier to find a girlfriend who meets your needs. Do you want someone who is funny and outgoing, or someone who is more serious and reserved? Do you want someone who likes to spend time outdoors, or someone who prefers to stay indoors? Do you want a girlfriend who is active and athletic, or someone who is more low-key? Knowing what you want in a partner will help you narrow down your search and find the perfect girlfriend for you. Tip 4. Make yourself the catch. If you want to find the perfect girlfriend, you need to make yourself the catch. Be the kind of guy that she would want to be with and make yourself someone that she can't resist. Be confident, funny, charming, and intelligent. Show her that you are the total package and that you are worth her time and attention. Let her see what an amazing boyfriend you would be and make her want to be with you. Tip 5. Don't stop looking until you find her. The fifth and final tip is to never give up on your search for the perfect girlfriend. No matter how long it takes, or how many heartbreaks you suffer along the way, keep looking until you find her. She's out there somewhere, and when you finally find her, it will all be worth it. Tip 6. Make the first move. The sixth tip to help you find the perfect girlfriend is to make the first move. This may seem like an obvious tip, but it's one that a lot of guys forget about or are too afraid to do. If you want to find the perfect girlfriend, you have to be willing to put yourself out there and make the first move. Talk to her, ask her out on a date, and take things from there. The worst that can happen is she says no, and you move. But if you don't take that chance, you'll never know what could have been. So go ahead and make the first move today. It could be the best decision you ever. Tip 7. Don't play games. If you want to find the perfect girlfriend, you need to be mature and honest. Don't play games with her or try to manipulate her in any way. Be genuine and upfront with your feelings, and she'll appreciate your honesty. Tip 8. Take things slow. When it comes to finding the perfect girlfriend, it's important to take things slow. There's no need to rush into a relationship before you. Take the time to get to know each other and make sure that you're compatible before you take things to the. If you're looking for a serious relationship, then it's important to be patient and take things slow. Rushing into things can often lead to regret later on down the line. Instead, take your time getting to know someone before you make any commitment. That way, you can be sure that there's someone you really want. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to stay up to date with all of our future contents.